Alright guys, we have a Sharp microwave drawer, and I just want to go over a few things on this particular unit. Alright guys, so this is a switch assembly, and we're going to try to raise it up. And what we're trying to do now is bring it up because it is too low. So you want to make sure that the switch is making good contact when the door is in fact closed. You see how it moves up and down? So what you want to do, you want to make sure it's in the up position, upmost position. Okay, so I'm going to hold it. I'm going to set you guys down for a second, and we're going to tighten it, and we're going to come back and check it. So, and guys, make sure your unit is unplugged. You will get a pretty good zap. In fact, it could kill you, so be careful. Alright, so now, let's turn you around. Okay, so now, if you remember correctly, it was not activating. Okay, so now we're going to close the door. Okay, you heard that. That was a click. Everything closed good. Okay, listen again. Okay, so now we're going to power it back up, and we're going to listen for the magnetron. Alright guys, so we're going to listen for now is the magnetron kicking on. We're going to do 1 minute. Now listen for the magnetron. It's going to be a very distinct sound. You can't miss it. Hear that? That's heating. So sometimes these things are, you just have to basically start at the basic, but you do have to know what you're looking for before you just start opening the unit up and just start replacing parts. At the end of the day, you want to make sure that you're actually testing each component, and you have to know what each components are doing. The magnetron will not turn on unless the doors are closed. Now the door is closed, but the computer doesn't recognize it as such. So you have to make sure that the switches are actually being activated. So you'd be actually replacing the magnetron, and it still wouldn't be working because you're not actually attacking the problem. So we're going to wait for it and see. We should be hot. Let's press open. Okay. If you can see that. I want you to see. I can feel the steam. Anyways, it is hot. I can feel it. In fact, let's do this. So I was going to steam up the camera. But anyways, there it is. Alright guys, that's that for now. Any questions? You can ask. Thanks for watching.